everyone, we're going to factor x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1. Alright, the first thing I want to do is, this is just really hard to factor, so I'm going to rewrite my middle term to make it easier. I want to make a perfect square trinomial, and I'm also going to use my difference of squares to factor this whole thing. So what I'm going to do is note that x squared equals 2x squared minus x squared, right? Because that 2x squares minus x squared gives you that. So I'm going to substitute this in for my middle term of x squared. So that's going to be x to the power of 4 plus, now instead of x squared, I'm going to write 2x squared minus x squared, and then we still have the 1. The next step I'm going to do is rearrange these two terms. So we'll have x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 minus x squared. Looking at this, I notice this part here is a perfect square trinomial. It follows that format, except we have 4 here. So I'm just going to use this formula, and that's what we have, and make it look like that. So my a is going to be x squared. So it's going to be x squared plus 1 squared. All right. And then we still have minus x squared. From here, it has this form, my difference of squares. So this is like a squared minus b squared. So these squares matches up here. So my a is equal to x squared plus 1, and my b equals x. So we know that a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my a and write x squared plus 1 minus my b, which is x, times my a, back to my a, is going to be x squared plus 1, and plus my b, so plus x. And that's it, basically. It's better to rewrite this. Let's write this in a better form. So let's see, I want to use this color. Just rearrange this a little bit. So you have x squared minus x plus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. And that's completely factored there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.